Today, I'm challenging myself to eat these 8 foods that are said to help control blood sugar for a whole week. Let's see if they really make a difference. Managing diabetes through diet is a crucial aspect of controlling blood sugar levels, and it's essential to eat the right foods daily to see significant improvements. One of the biggest challenges diabetics face is maintaining a healthy blood sugar level. It's a constant struggle, and the slightest misstep in their diet can throw everything off balance. Many diabetics find it difficult to resist the temptation of unhealthy foods, which can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Furthermore, the lack of knowledge about what to eat and what to avoid can make meal planning a nightmare. It's a vicious cycle that can lead to feelings of frustration and hopelessness. And to make matters worse, the consequences of poor dietary choices can be devastating, from nerve damage to vision loss, and even organ damage. The good news is that there are certain foods that can help regulate blood sugar levels and alleviate the symptoms of diabetes. By incorporating these foods into their daily diet, diabetics can take control of their condition and lead a healthier, more balanced life. Let's dive into the 8 essential foods that diabetics should eat daily to control blood sugar levels. First, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are packed with antioxidants and fiber that help regulate blood sugar levels. Next, we have fatty fish like salmon, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Berries, specifically blueberries and strawberries, are also an excellent choice, thanks to their high antioxidant content and ability to slow down sugar absorption. Another food that makes the list is sweet potatoes, which are rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber that help regulate blood sugar levels. Eggs are also an excellent source of protein and healthy fats that help stabilize blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is another food that has been shown to have a positive impact on blood sugar control, thanks to its ability to improve insulin sensitivity. Finally, we have avocados, which are rich in healthy fats that improve insulin sensitivity and slow down sugar absorption, and lastly, oats, which are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates that regulate blood sugar levels. I'd like to share a compelling success story that highlights the power of these foods. Jane, a type 2 diabetic, was struggling to manage her blood sugar levels through medication alone. She decided to take control of her diet and incorporated these 8 foods into her daily meals. Within a few weeks, she noticed a significant drop in her blood sugar levels, and she was able to reduce her medication dosage. Jane's story is a testament to the power of these foods in controlling blood sugar levels and improving overall health. Managing diabetes is more than a daily routine, it's a life-changing commitment. Blood sugar control, the foundation of diabetes management, hinges on consistency, smart choices, and education. But what if incorporating a specific set of foods into your diet could tip the scales in your favor? This week, I'm challenging myself to eat 8 specific foods that are renowned for their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. My goal? To discover if they make a tangible difference in energy levels, glucose readings, and overall health. Let's dive deep into the science, benefits, and strategies behind these power-packed foods. Along the way, I'll share insights, practical tips, and a dose of inspiration to help you understand why these foods can be a game-changer for managing diabetes. Diabetes is a condition that requires a vigilant balance of blood sugar levels to avoid complications like nerve damage, kidney disease, vision problems, and even heart disease. While medications and physical activity play significant roles, diet remains the cornerstone of effective management. However, dietary control isn't easy. Many diabetics struggle with questions like: 1. What foods can I safely eat without causing a sugar spike? 2. How do I create a meal plan that's both nutritious and enjoyable? 3. Are there natural remedies within my diet that can complement my medication? The good news? The answer lies in the foods you choose. By focusing on nutrient-dense, low-glycemic, and fiber-rich options, you can effectively tame blood sugar fluctuations. Here's a breakdown of the 8 superfoods I'm incorporating into my diet this week. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nutritional powerhouses. Low in calories and carbohydrates, they're an excellent choice for keeping blood sugar levels stable. These greens are loaded with antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against cellular damage and inflammation. How they help. 1. High in fiber. Slows down glucose absorption, preventing spikes. 2. Rich in magnesium. Essential for insulin sensitivity. How I incorporate them. 1. Morning green smoothies with a handful of spinach. 2. Sautéed kale as a side dish with garlic and olive oil. Salmon isn't just delicious, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known for reducing inflammation and enhancing heart health. For diabetics, inflammation is a major concern as it can exacerbate insulin resistance. How it helps. 1. Improves insulin sensitivity. Omega-3s boost the body's ability to use insulin effectively. 2. Provides protein, slows digestion and keeps blood sugar stable. How I incorporate it. 1. Grilled salmon for dinner, served with a lemon dill sauce. 2. A salmon avocado salad for lunch. These tiny fruits pack a mighty punch. Unlike many fruits, blueberries and strawberries have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause a sharp sugar spike. Rich in antioxidants, they combat oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetes. How they help. 1. Regulate sugar absorption. The fiber slows sugar release into the bloodstream. 2. Boost insulin function. Certain compounds in berries enhance insulin production. How I incorporate them. 1. A handful of blueberries with breakfast oats. 2. Strawberries as an afternoon snack or dessert. Sweet potatoes are a diabetic-friendly carbohydrate option. Unlike regular potatoes, they have a lower glycemic index and are high in fiber and vitamins, particularly vitamin A. How they help. 1. Rich in complex carbs. Prevents rapid sugar spikes. 2. Contains antioxidants. Supports overall health and reduces inflammation. How I incorporate them. 1. Roasted sweet potato wedges as a snack. 2. Mashed sweet potatoes with cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense food that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. They are high in protein, which slows digestion and prevents sugar spikes after meals. How they help. 1. Promotes fullness, reducing the temptation for unhealthy snacks. 2. Improves insulin sensitivity. Regular egg consumption is linked to better blood sugar control. How I incorporate them. 1. Hard-boiled eggs as a mid-morning snack. 2. Vegetable omelets for breakfast. Cinnamon is more than just a spice, it's a natural blood sugar stabilizer. Studies show that cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity, helping the body process sugar more efficiently. How it helps. 1. Mimics insulin. Aids in moving sugar into cells for energy. 2. Improves fasting glucose levels. Regular consumption can lower baseline blood sugar. How I incorporate it. 1. Sprinkled on oatmeal or yogurt. 2. Added to herbal teas or coffee. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the type of fat that benefits heart health and insulin function. They also contain fiber, which slows digestion and sugar absorption. How they help. 1. Improve insulin sensitivity. Healthy fats play a role in managing glucose. 2. Promote satiety. Helps prevent overeating and sugar cravings. How I incorporate them. 1. Sliced avocado on whole grain toast. 2. Guacamole paired with raw vegetable sticks. Oats are a breakfast staple with powerful blood sugar benefits. Their high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, helps regulate sugar levels and cholesterol. How they help. 1. Regulate sugar absorption. Prevents sudden spikes post-meal. 2. Low glycemic impact. Ideal for maintaining steady glucose levels. How I incorporate them. 1. Overnight oats with almond milk and berries. 2. Warm oatmeal topped with nuts and cinnamon. Let me tell you about Jane, a type 2 diabetic who turned her life around by embracing these foods. Frustrated by the limitations of medication, she decided to take control of her diet. Over a few weeks, she consistently incorporated these 8 superfoods into her meals. The results? Her blood sugar levels dropped significantly, her energy improved, and she reduced her dependence on medication. Jane's story is proof that small, consistent changes can lead to monumental health transformations. Meal prep is key. Plan meals ahead of time to include these foods in various forms. Balance is everything. Pair these foods with lean proteins, healthy fats, and low-carb options. Experiment with recipes. Incorporate these foods into dishes you love, making the transition enjoyable. Track your progress. Use a glucose monitor to measure how these foods affect your blood sugar. Over the next 7 days, I'll incorporate all 8 of these foods into my meals daily. I'll monitor my blood sugar levels, energy, and overall feeling of wellness to see if this experiment truly delivers results. For those managing diabetes, balancing blood sugar can feel like an uphill battle. The wrong food choice can lead to frustrating glucose spikes, fatigue, and even long-term complications. But what if the key to better control lies not just in medication but also in the foods you eat? Jane's inspiring story highlights how a targeted approach to dietary changes can transform health outcomes and empower individuals living with diabetes. Jane, a 52-year-old schoolteacher and mother of 3, had been living with type 2 diabetes for nearly a decade. Over the years, she relied heavily on oral medication and insulin injections to manage her condition. Despite her best efforts, her blood sugar levels fluctuate frequently, often leaving her feeling tired, irritable, and worried about her future health. Her diabetes began to affect her daily life. Simple activities like walking her dog or playing with her grandchildren felt exhausting. Regular checkups revealed creeping complications, slightly elevated cholesterol, early signs of nerve pain, and weight gain, all of which left her feeling discouraged. Jane knew something had to change. One day, while scrolling through an online diabetes forum, Jane stumbled across stories of others who had experienced significant improvements by making thoughtful dietary adjustments. The recurring theme? Incorporating specific, nutrient-dense foods into their diets. This discovery marked a turning point. With a determined mindset, Jane decided to take charge of her health by shifting her focus to the foods she consumed daily. Jane began her journey by consulting a dietitian who specializes in diabetes management. Together, they devised a meal plan centered on 8 foods known to stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale provided her with essential antioxidants and fiber, helping regulate blood sugar. 2. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon became a staple in her weekly meals. 3. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries satisfied her sweet cravings while keeping sugar levels steady. 4. Sweet potatoes. A nutritious alternative to regular potatoes, these helped her feel full and energized. 5. Eggs. These versatile, protein-packed options supported stable glucose levels throughout the day. 6. Cinnamon. A sprinkle of this spice in her coffee or oatmeal added flavor while enhancing insulin function. 7. Avocados. Full of healthy fats, they promoted satiety and better blood sugar control. 8. Oats. Packed with beta-glucan, oats offered a slow-release energy source, reducing glucose spikes. Jane committed to a 1-month trial of this meal plan, tracking her progress through daily blood sugar readings and weekly weigh-ins. The changes Jane experienced over the next few weeks were nothing short of remarkable. Week 1. Steady energy within days, Jane noticed a difference. Mornings, which were typically sluggish, became more productive as her energy levels stabilized. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks mid-afternoon, she stayed full longer thanks to her nutrient-dense meals. Week 2. lower blood sugar levels. By the second week, her glucose readings began to show consistent improvement. Her fasting blood sugar, which had often hovered around 140 mg per deciliter, dropped to a steady 110 mg per deciliter. Her meals, rich in fiber and healthy fats, helped slow sugar absorption and kept her levels balanced. Week 4. Overall health gains. By the end of the month, Jane felt a renewed sense of control over her diabetes. She lost 6 pounds, reduced her daily insulin dosage with her doctor's approval, and noticed a significant reduction in the tingling sensation in her feet, a sign of better managed blood sugar. Her cholesterol levels improved slightly, and her mood lifted as she gained confidence in her ability to make healthier choices. Jane's story underscores a powerful lesson: food is more than fuel, it's medicine. By making deliberate, informed choices, she not only managed her diabetes but also improved her overall quality of life. Her advice to others is simple yet profound. 1. Educate yourself. Learn which foods are your allies in blood sugar control. 2. Be consistent. Small, daily changes yield significant long-term results. 3. Seek support. Work with professionals or join communities to stay motivated. Today, Jane continues her journey with newfound confidence and vitality. Her story is a testament to the potential of dietary changes in diabetes management, offering hope and inspiration to others facing similar struggles. In summary, incorporating these 8 essential foods into your daily diet can have a significant impact on blood sugar control and overall health. By making small changes to your diet, you can take control of your diabetes and lead a healthier, more balanced life. Remember, proactive management is key, and it starts with the food you eat. If you've got a success story of your own or a favorite recipe that's helped you manage your diabetes, please share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content, and check out our video on diabetic-friendly recipes for some tasty and healthy meal ideas. Thank you.